Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily change a currency in Squarespace. First things first, we have to log in into our Squarespace account. It's a pretty easy job, I don't have to explain that to you. And we happen to find ourselves in our workspace. Here we can pick from two options. First one is go to website. First option is this website with a chair. The second one is in progress. So I want to proceed with the first one. I'm gonna click on go to website and it will take me into the editor. Here on the left side that I want you to focus on is third option. It's a commerce. Here still, we are focusing on the left sidebar and ignoring the rest of the screen. We want to scroll down and go to payments. Once we are at payments, we have to try it again. We are able to add a payment processor. But if we keep scrolling in the settings, we will find store currency and want to click there. In there, we can pick different options. I'm from Europe, from Slovakia, so defaultly I'm using euro as a currency, but if you are with rupees or Hong Kong dollars or British pound sterling, you can go with them. When you are done, just click save and go back and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.